Here we've got a creamy coriander dressing that's super quick and easy. This dressing is all about super fresh ingredients. Take your fresh coriander, remove the roots, and give it a quick rinse. Place the coriander into the blender. Cut the avocado in half and remove the stone. Scoop out the flesh and place it into the blender. Add the yogurt for a creamy, light texture, herbs, olive oil, salt and black pepper. Cut the lime and squeeze in the fresh juice for a bright, refreshing flavor. Add some water, close the blender, and blend until smooth and creamy. Once smooth and creamy, transfer the dressing into a serving bowl. Look how smooth and creamy the dressing is, and the aroma is amazing. Drizzle the dressing over your preferred salad, or use it as a dip and enjoy. Thank you for cooking along with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy your fresh, creamy salad dressing and happy cooking.